Wolf here. Here's the results of the thunderstorm. It's heading closer to us. You can see it's getting windier. The chimes are moving around. You can hear it too. It's mainly coming from over there. And we could get, whoa. Like, listen to that. There's Molly. Come on. There's Brixie. Brix. Ozzy. Aspen. There's Aspen. Good girl, Ozzy. But yeah, there's the results of the thunderstorm so far. It's probably gonna hit harder because a few minutes ago it was really hot out, and now it's dropped down to like 10 degrees, somewhere around there. I don't know. But yeah, and it's starting to rain a little bit. I think I just felt some drops. So yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure. Peace out.